Hello, my name is Thilo Diekmann from JumpstartRC, and in today's video I want to show you our new tool. This is the Sleeve Extractor Tool. This is for dismounting the sleeves of 1.8 engines. The tool is also available for 110 engines, and you work the same way. And today I want to show you how the tool works. The tool consists of two items. One is the extractor tool and one is the sleeve tool. On the extractor tool, you have a white marking to easily identify the correct position in the sleeve. And the second one is for extracting the sleeve. I want to show you how to use the tool. It's very easy to do. You just put the tool on top of on the sleeve, and you enter from the top. And on the rear, you see the white marking. So I hope the camera has it. Yeah, you see the white marking. So you know you are in the correct position. And now you just push down the second part of the tool and easily turn the crankshaft to push out the sleeve. You can also pull a little bit here on the top, but I recommend if the sleeve is not too tight in the case to just turn the crankshaft, and then you can exit the sleeve. To enter the sleeve, you can do the same. You just push it down for the correct position of the piston, and then turn it fully the way down. And for the last millimeter or so, you can use the top to push it into the case, and you pull out the tool, and then you're good. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know, and you'll find this product in our online shop from today.